The Ghana Cocoa Road program, initiated by Cocobod, was designed to address transportation challenges faced in delivering agro-inputs to cocoa farmers and transporting cocoa beans to take-over centers. However, the Chief Executive Officer of Cocobod, Joseph Boahin Edu, says the European Union and the International Monetary Fund, IMF, have admonished the institution not to take up any more projects after the completion of ongoing ones because it does not fall within the core mandate of Cocobod to construct roads. He made this known at the 50th anniversary celebration symposium of the Cocoa Clinic organized at the UPSA.
Last year, the EU sent a team, what they call due diligence team on sustainability production. When they came, they wanted to know why Cocobod was involved in cocoa roads construction. Cocoa roads construction is not the core business of Cocobod. And they were insisting that we take that venture out of our equation. Of course, the IMF is also saying the same thing. The current situation with IMF is that they said, yes, now we can continue and complete what we have started, but we should not start any more new cocoa roads construction.
That notwithstanding, Joseph Boahin Edu announced plans by Cocobod to establish health centers across a number of cocoa-growing communities in the country to improve access to health care for cocoa farmers.
You go and find pregnant women who are being transported on motorbikes to reach health centers simply because the road network is so bad. I've also had the experience, a woman who was in labor and could not deliver, had to be carried in a hammock and transported to the nearest health post at Akweyala, 28 kilometers away. She never survived. So when you hear these stories, and then you come and sit in the comfort of your office in Accra, you are going to the office on an asphalted road, and then you look to the countryside to see how our cocoa farmers struggle to access health delivery.
Reporting from UPSA, my name is Ni Ayikwe Okain for Citi News.